Hello, my dear friends and well wishers. Myself, Professor Raj.deshpande. I have an exciting and thrilled announcement for you. What is that? My expertise of 35 years, experience in the AI tools. I have designed and will be publishing soon an ebook on how to use ChatGPT for personal growth. 10 important untold tips. This book will be useful for not only students, teachers, academicians, professionals, corporators, and corporate leaders also. A very simplified language, all the different inside secrets of the ChatGPT for your personal growth are explained in this book. You will love it, I'm very sure, and I'm expecting for your suggestions for my next edition of this book. The details are given below. Thank you so much.